Assalamu alaikum. Anaphylactic reaction. What is anaphylactic reaction? Anaphylaxis during anesthesia can present as cardiovascular collapse, airway obstruction, and skin manifestation. It can be difficult to differentiate between immune and non-immune mast cell mediated reactions and pharmacologic effects from the variety of medications administered during general anesthesia. Primary treatment. Number first, general measure. Inform surgeon, request assistance to stop administration of all drugs, colloids, and blood products. Maintain airway with 100% oxygen and elevate the legs if possible. Number 2, use of epinephrine adrenaline. Adult give epinephrine 10 to 100 micrograms per kg IV bolus. Repeat every 1 to 2 minutes. In children, 1 to 10 micrograms per kg IV bolus and repeat every 1 to 2 minutes if needed. Number 3, fluid therapy. Crystallite normal saline 10 to 25 ml per kg body weight over 20 minutes. Colloid 10 ml per kg body weight over 20 minutes. Secondary treatment. Number A, bronchodilator, beta 2 agonist for symptomatic treatment of bronchospasm. Number B, antihistamine. Number first, diphenhydramine 0.5 to 1 mg per kg IV. Number 2, ranitidine 50 mg IV. Corticosteroids. Adult injection hydrocortisone 250 mg IV state. Injection methylprednisolone 50 to 100 mg. In children, hydrocortisone 50 to 100 mg methylprednisolone. For epinephrine adrenaline dilution and dose calculation, watch a video I have uploaded.